Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing Only Way and granting the app notification permission so alerts reach you. Once done, enable battery access or usage stats in system settings. This lets the app read charge status reliably. Next, set a baseline charge level and choose a notification sound so you recognize alerts instantly. You do this now to ensure the app has the data and permissions it needs. Otherwise, notifications may not fire when the battery crosses thresholds. You now configure thresholds and actions inside Only Way. First, create charge and discharge rules, such as notify at 80% to unplug and 20% to charge, because clear thresholds prevent overcharging or deep discharge. Then assign actions like sound, vibrate, or run a shortcut. Actions make responses automatic. Also set repeat behavior, delays, and do not disturb exceptions so notifications behave predictably. Make sure to test a rule immediately. You finish by testing and refining your setup. Run a quick test. Simulate battery changes or plug and unplug briefly to see notifications. If alerts miss, adjust sensitivity, timing, and ensure Only Way has background permission so it monitors continuously. Finally, restart your phone and check system battery optimization settings to prevent the OS from killing the app. If a notification still fails, toggle permissions and retest. Most issues come from background restrictions or missing usage access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.